All right, here we go. Problem number 2. There she is, looking at you. Now, first thing, it's always good to try and make sense of the problem. Draw it out to see what you think, okay? So I'm going to take the number line route to make sense of the problem. So I'm going to start at 0, and I'm going to go 9, because it tells me we're taking 89, and we're dividing it into groups of 9. So if I make each group worth 9, will I have any left over? So I have my first group right here. That's worth 9. If I go another group, another 9, I'd be at 18. There's 2 groups. Another group, I'd be at 27. Another group, I'd be at, do you know it? 36. Another group, and I'm at 45. I'm just adding 9 each time. If I add another 9, I'm at, do you got it? 54. I go another group. Now the reason why I keep going is because I know I'm going to hit somewhere close to 89 in the very near future. If I wasn't going to hit it in the very near future, I'd probably stop and be like, it's going to be a lot. Okay, the visual picture is showing me it's going to be quite a bit. But at this point, I'm almost to that spot, so I'm going to keep going. 63. Then I'm at 72. Then I'm at 81. And then I'm at 90. Which 90 is too much because we just want 89. So as you can see, I made it up to 9 groups of 9 with some left over right here. So I pretty much almost have my answer. So I know this is going to be approximately 9 is what I got when I'm looking at my visual, but very, very, very close to 10, right? It's so close because 89 is so close to 90. So now, let's estimate it the way we were doing in my class. So we were looking at the 9 row, and we were trying to find a multiple that was close to this number, or that number. We want to see if it's on there. Is 89 on there? Well, no, but it's super duper duper close to this one. So let's just change that to that for our estimate. And then I know 9 divided by 9 is, pause the video if you need to, 1. And then I have this 0 right here. Attach the 0. So I got an estimate of 10. And that's pretty much what we said last time, that it was very, 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 very close to 10. So now let's actually find the quotient. So we're going to go ahead and take 89 divided by 9. So now we're going 9 into 8. Is there a group of 9 in 8? Well, no, because it's only 8. It's less than 9. So we can't go with 8. We're going to go to 89. So how many groups of 9 are in 89? You already kind of figured that out. In your row, your 9 row, you saw the 81 and you saw 90. Now we picked 90 for the estimate because 89 is super close to 90. But now, if we're actually saying exactly how many groups of 9 are in 89, we're going to have to resort back to 81. We cannot pick a number that's more than this. So there are exactly, if we go up on the chart, 9, and I'm going to write this 9 above the last digit of the 89 because we're using the entire number. There are 9 groups of 9 in the number 89. And how many is that? 9 times 9 is 81. Okay? So now when we subtract, we are left over with 8. We have a remainder of 8 to take us up to here. So I'm going to say remainder to take us up to that, not 90, but 89. We have a remainder of 8. So here is my actual quotient. Now how do we check it? By not dividing, but multiplying. That says mult. So let's go ahead and multiply 9 remainder 8 times the original divisor. Remember, 89 divided by 9. We're going to divide. We're going to multiply by that divisor to see if we get 89. Okay? So here we have 9 times 9. So I'm going to do that first. 9 times 9. Which is 81. And then I'm going to have to take 81 and, oh wait, does that equal 89 yet? No. And that's because we still have to add on our remainder. If we add 8 to 81, do we then get 89? Yes, we do. And you can make that a big smiley face because you actually got it. Okay? This turned out. This is where you have your moment of joy. Okay?